Hello and happy Monday and welcome to the Opto Minute. Today we're going to review this diagram here and explain how doesn't matter what software you're using, whether it's a industrial SCADA system or let's say you have KPI dashboards on a website that you can hit. So with that software, you can connect it to any Opto 22 system. In this example, we use MQTT, but there are many different methods of interfacing to our gear. So whatever software you have already, you can talk to our equipment. And with that, our equipment can already talk to your tools, your sensors, your complete factories even. Complete factories or the different machinery, bottling plants, whatever you want, running whatever PLC system they have. So this was the problem before, was in order to do something like that from your cloud software, you had to go through VPNs and HMI, different software, a controller, and then the sensor. But what we're telling you now is with Opto 22 systems, you can go directly to the sensor, to that device, to your software and do it cyber securely. You won't be the first. We've been doing this for decades, only now with the Epic solution doing it more simply and even to more complicated devices like PLCs. So I'm going to leave more links to this diagram and different architectures and cybersecurity functions, and I hope that you'll ask some questions about what parts of the system you want me to do a video on next. So enjoy your week and happy Monday.